Moving on to the next drawing of today's video, we can learn by seeing the video how to draw a really beautiful girl who is a nurse. As we can see and learn from the video, we will keep performing the steps as shown in the video to make her a nurse. And she's holding a pair of medicines in her hand, as we can see. Moving forward to the next drawing of today's video, we can learn how to make a really beautiful cake which looks really tasty in the drawing. Start by drawing the layers of the cake, which has 3 layers, and we'll decorate the cake with different colors and different textures. Moving forward to the next drawing of today's video, we are again gonna learn a really beautiful and cute cartoon, which is the one and only SpongeBob. We can perform the steps as shown in the video, and we'll again also learn how to make his friend who has a tall head and big shiny eyes, as we can see and learn from the video.